folks, we have a truly fine offering for your consideration in this antique Columbus pocket watch, model Railway King circa 1894. This Columbus is a size 18 and measures 2 1/4 inches in diameter, a substantial pocket watch and the most popular size pocket watch at the turn of the century. This early Railway King is stem wound and lever set. This Railway King has a wonderful configuration with the beautifully engraved 14-karat solid gold case, railroad grade two-tone movement, stunning Railway King dial and highlighted with the original custom blued steel hands. This Columbus Railroad pocket watch shows beautifully and sure to be appreciated for generations to come. I hope the video and pictures help in the description of this rare Columbus Railway King pocket watch. This is another excellent example of the late 19th, early 20th century ingenuity that made the American pocket watch a worldwide standard for beauty and accuracy in timekeeping. This antique pocket watch has been cleaned, oiled, and adjusted for accuracy. This entails a complete disassembly, and all parts cleaned and reassembled using the finest watch oil and gear grease. This antique Columbus pocket watch is warranted for 1 full year from the date of purchase. If you have any questions, please call Jeff at 310-486-0572. Thank you.